Hmm. So can you guys see the screen? If you guys can see the screen, just quickly type a yes in the comment box. I'm quickly gonna turn on my video as well. And can you see my video as well? If you guys can see my screen and video, type SV in the comment box. Both screen and video, just type SV in the comment box. Just for both. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for having this patience. I really appreciate. Yeah. So what we were discussing, yeah, we were discussing about this document. Let me just quickly share the document again. Yeah. So there's a whole structure to the pitch, B2B pitch, and the very first part is introduction. Just introduce yourself, then just tell I was searching for. I came across your business and noticed few things. You can implement it immediately. This is the structure. This is the structure of how you have to design the email. You have to design the pitch. I was searching for your business and I came across. And please don't type, guys. It's really annoying. Wait, let me quickly just cancel annotations. Why are you doing this? I'm new to Zoom. Don't take advantage of that. Hmm. Yes. Then, yeah. So I think so now nobody can type anything, right? How can I clear this? Hmm. At least if you see, guys, in this way you are only wasting your own time by doing all the childish things. Now, can you guys see the screen clearly? Yeah. Yep, I'm doing the recording, but you guys have to wait till the end because there's a surprise announcement at the end. So I want you guys to wait till the end if you guys are liking the content and you guys, So it's very simple. There's a whole structure to this. First, you got to introduce yourself. Then you got to tell that I was searching for your business and I came across that you can change few things and you can double your business. Implement this. Hello, hello. Yeah. So you can just go ahead and give a guarantee after this, then a call to action, then sign off, then a soft call to action to book a call with you. The only intent of this B2B pitch is to get on a call with the lead, right? Once you get on a call with the lead, you can go ahead and tell about your services and convince that person to give you freelancing, right? So in the end, you can just mention schedule a call and you can schedule a Calendly link, and this way they can schedule a call with you, right? And the only intent of lead generation B2B is scheduling a call. So this is the whole structure. I'll be sharing this document as well. So once you have done the lead generation of B2B, then you can also go ahead and freelancing web portals and you can upload your resume or your profile. And the different portals are Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr. And if you are really confused and you don't know how to, what services to offer, like I already shared what document Deepak shared in order to see what services you can offer like this. Wait, I'm going to be sharing this again. And these are the services you can offer. And if you're confused what services to offer, if you're still confused, you can just go on Fiverr, and that is also a very good place to know what people are offering, how are they charging, and how what exactly the services are, and you can get an idea what services you can offer. Right? It's a freelancing website, and you can go all on these freelancing website and see. For example, I want to see graphic design. So I can just quickly search, and it will show me a lot of gigs, and people have uploaded a lot of gigs, and I will be able to see what people are offering. In that way, I'll get an idea what I can also offer, right? So you can do your research on Fiverr and see what is in demand, what is the skill that is in demand in the market, and you can just go ahead and just share that. Guys, can you just let me know if you guys can see my video as well? Just type a yes in the comment box if my video is also audible. Sorry, if my video is also visible. So Abhimanyu is asking a question. Can you please tell me one thing? I am not going to. Please keep the questions for the end. Please don't ask any questions as of now. So just type graphic designer and do the research, and this way you will be able to know what people are offering, and same way you can do it for you. Yes, I think so. Few people are able to see my video and people are not able to see the video. So for that, I have to pin the video. Wait. Oh, uh, I have to do that. Just wait for a minute. Sometimes Zoom is really improving. Just wait for a minute, guys. Yes, now I think so. You guys will be able to see my video, right? I think so. Now everyone will be able to see my video. If you guys can see the video, just type a yes in the comment box so then we can go ahead. Just type yes in the comment box. Yes. I think so. Now everybody will be able to see my video. So let's just resume. See, I'll just type graphic designer, and see, I can see a lot of people. People are saying yes. Okay. So I can see, I can do the research and get an idea what people are offering, and I can offer the same things. They people are very specific on Fiverr. They offer very specific services. Like they're saying, I can create any kind of graphic design with that idea. So they just upload their portfolio and upload the gigs. You can go ahead and watch the tutorials how to upload gigs on Fiverr on YouTube, and you can learn from that, right? So it's very simple. So once you have did the register on freelancing website, you can also upload your profile on freelancing websites, and you can take the advantage of freelance, right? So now the next part is building a portfolio. This is very important. Once you get freelancing projects, yeah, once you build, once you start getting freelancing project, it's very important to build a portfolio because that helps you get even more freelancing project and offer premium services. Okay, how do you make your services premium? By building a portfolio. Once once you have something to show, once you have results, and so you can show that these are the clients I've served and I got results, then you can go ahead and charge more for your services. Your value increases because you have already done, you have a lot of experience, and building a portfolio is very important. Few people, I also did a lot of mistake. I didn't focus on building my portfolio. I didn't document whatever I used to deliver. Ask for a testimonial for to your clients. Tell them to share a review on Fiverr. Tell them to share a review on Google. Tell them share a review on whatever freelancing website you're offering. Tell them to share a review on a Facebook page or on your website, right? So that way you will build a portfolio. You can also show their projects what you did, and ask them for the permission if I can show your projects to my future clients or not. So that way you can make your services premium, right? So if everyone is clear, crystal clear, just type CC in the comment box if you are crystal clear, and you can go ahead and grab a freelancing project. Just type CC in the comment box so you're crystal clear, and you can grab a freelancing project, because I've shared enough stuff in freelancing, and now we can proceed with the third part and the most amazing part for me, that is designing a digital product and selling. That is my area of expertise, and now I'm very excited because this is something which I've been doing for a long time, and this really excites me because I love doing this. I have discovered that digital selling is something for me, and I want you guys also to discover what is the thing for you. What is your voice? What is that thing that you can do in digital marketing 24 hours? What if, even if you're sleeping, I can just come to you and ask, you know what is that thing you can do 24/7 digital marketing. You should have that on your tips. You should have that on your tips. You should have, because the concept of selling amazes me at the very first. When I discovered these skills, when I discovered sales funnel, when I discovered copywriting, when I discovered how to sell products, how to have make people, how to bring traffic, how to design the whole funnel of selling. It literally changed my life, man, because I was not knowing that there's something in digital marketing like this. Digital marketing can also be this. That day I decided, it's everything for me. My life in digital marketing was so simple, and that is the reason why I am here to tell you guys, to help you find your thing, to you find your passion in digital marketing, so that you do it in a way that you don't even feel it's a burden, you don't even feel it's a work, you enjoy whatever you do. How many of you find this concept useful, that if you love what you do, you don't have to work a day in your life, and you'll get paid just for enjoying whatever you're doing, just for enjoying your life. You'll get paid for that. So if you love this, just type with you in the comment box if you love this concept of discovering what you love, and I'll help you discovering your passion in digital marketing. Trust me, I know the exact blueprint, because I have came across in this journey, and I discovered that, and I can give you the shortcut, the exact shortcut, right? So yeah, I can see a lot of guys saying with you. Thank you, guys. So now the third step is selling an information product. So when it comes to, so let me just quickly see the document so that you guys can get a clear idea. Getting a freelancing client, I already told you who's your potential client. When you create a customer of that, you can just tell who's your potential client, who are you targeting at, and then what were the needs of the client. You can just tell what are the needs of the client. Were you offering them, what services you're offering, and then did the client give you job or not. Okay, did you get the freelancing project or not? Even if you didn't get the freelancing project, just tell them what was the reason that you didn't get the project. Your pricing was too high. You were not having a portfolio. You were lacking experience, or whatever reason it might be. You can share. And then digital mentoring, selling an information product. And he said that he, because I'm a batch 2 student. In our batch, the last assignment was selling a digital product. Okay, and this is where my journey to selling digital products got a kickstart, because I was already doing digital selling, but not conducting webinars and all that stuff. From that point onward, when the internship started, it was somewhere between mid of the internship, I decided to do webinars, and from that day till now, I've done around 134 webinars, 134 webinars, and this is what I discovered, what I love doing. I'm not perfect at it still, but I'm still working hard. I'm still working to help people through webinars, through selling my product, through selling my workshop, selling my courses. And I have somehow mastered this art, and I want to give it to you as well. And I'll tell later on how, if you are someone who has already discovered you are into digital selling, then I might be very helpful to you. Being a wholehearted and whole-fledged digital marketer, I can give you the fundamentals. But what expertise I have, like I have the expertise in digital selling. The same way, you also have to discover your expertise. So I can take you to the next level when it comes to digital selling. So it's very simple. You can choose any of these four when it comes to digital selling. What to sell? You know, you can sell an ebook, you can sell a short video course, you can sell a live webinar, or you can sell a one-on-one consultation call. Simple. And there's one more thing I'll add. You can go ahead and sell an affiliate product. That's the last option. Or I don't know if it's accepted or not. You can just go ahead and ask this in the group. But affiliate product also you can sell. So when it comes to designing an ebook, it's very simple. For example, you have choose a service. You think that you're good with website design. So you can just go ahead and create an ebook. And there's a lot of tools to create ebook on website. And once you create an ebook, you just have to create a landing page on Mailchimp. I'm gonna quickly open my Mailchimp, and let me just show you. Let me just quickly log in. I forgot the password. I think so. Let me get this. Yeah, I think so. It's correct. So yeah, when it comes to selling an ebook, you can design an ebook on any place. There are so many free tools on Google, and you can just go ahead and it's asking for verification. Let me quickly verify it. And how to design the cover of the ebook? You can go on Canva. A lot of people are confused because they think it's not under their practice, and they have to hire a freelancer or someone like that. So you can go ahead and just go on Canva and just type ebook cover, and you will get amazing ebook cover ideas, and you can just design an ebook cover. Because a cover, you have to the creative of the cover you have to share everywhere, right? So you have to share the creative, and uh, that is where you will attach the payment link and accept payments, right? So ebook cover you have to design. You can design ebook covers right here in Canva. There are so many amazing designs, and you can just use this, right? Creating your cover. Then once you have created your ebook cover, it's very simple. You just have to let me just see. They're saying that they have sent me a confirmation email. Mail. Um, just give me 1 minute. Yep. So let me just quickly log into my Mailchimp and show you guys how you can simply design a landing page. It's very simple. You just have to design a landing page, and in that landing page, you have to share the details, whatever the ebook is about, the skills, what to put in the landing page. That comes under copywriting. And those who have attended my copywriting workshop, they can just use that skill. And those who don't know, they can go ahead and search for some copywriting skills, and or they can join my group. And because I'll be conducting more workshops in future, this is my Mailchimp account. And copywriting skills, just you can go ahead and search how to create a landing page, or you can also watch that video. See, I created a landing page, WordPress webinar registration. This was for a WordPress webinar and free ebook. This is something which I want to show you. This I designed. I think so. This I use for my assignment. See, this is how we create a beautiful landing page. Simple. And I've used some really cool copywriting skills in designing this landing page, and it converted like crazy. I just sent this to a lot of people, and I didn't even drive traffic to this, and people were crazy to buy this. To get this WordPress 101 ebook. Learn how to build a professional WordPress website from scratch in less than 60 minutes with this ebook. I wish, then I shared the story, then I shared what you will get in this book, and I get the benefits. What are the benefits of having this ebook? Then grab your copy now. And once they click on this link, they were sent to a landing page, a thank you page, and that thank you page you can build on the MailChimp, or you can build on your website. In that thank you page, you can just mention you will soon receive a copy of the ebook in your mail, right? Or you can just give a download link. They can right away download from that place. Okay, so there are two ways to do that. Once you can just give them a thank you page, and see the whole process. I'm telling you the whole funnel. You share the ebook cover, and you share the link to the landing page. Once they land to your landing page, they see the benefits. The whole benefit. They share their email. You have to capture the contact. You have to generate the lead. This is very important. Capture the contact. Once they give the contact, they click on this, and this button you have to attach a link to another landing page, another page which is a thank you page. It can be a thank you page on your website, or it can be a thank you page on the MailChimp only. In that thank you page, you can just tell, thank you for downloading this, and you can join the group or anything you want them to do, and you can just tell them you'll soon receive the free ebook copy in the mail, or you can give a download link and they can directly download that. It's very simple, right? So selling an ebook simplified. Now a short video course. You can just go ahead and, for those who don't cannot afford a LMS, I see few people are asking questions. Let me see what are they asking. Please share the link to the landing page. Please tell the process of creating ebook. Okay, a few people are saying how to create an ebook. It's very simple. Type on Google, create free ebook. It's very simple. You can create free ebook on. There are a lot of free ebook creator on. See, you can create a free ebook on these websites, and you can just go ahead, and because they're free for the initial time, they're free. Create an ebook. You just click on this and you can put the content. You can take the content from web. You don't have to you don't even have to put the content yourself. You can you can curate a lot of content from web, and you don't have to copy all of that. Whatever you feel like is very useful, you just have to put it there, and you can just create your own ebook. See how amazing is this? This is a tool. You can create an ebook, right? Wengage.com. So this is how you create an ebook. Okay, and I'll send you a link of the landing page. Don't worry. Wait, I'll just share the link with you, and I'll also be sharing the link of the landing page in the group. So those who haven't joined the group, they can join the group, and I'll be sharing this. And I see 27 participants. I think few participants have left. They'll miss out the last announcement. So they're bad. So now you're clear on short video course. So how you can do that? You can record few videos on YouTube, and you can record 5 to 10 videos on, for example, how to create a website from scratch. 5 videos on that. WordPress. You can tell them how to do the hosting stuff, how to purchase the domain, how to purchase the hosting, then how to connect them, then how to install WordPress, then how to install plugins, then how to make your first blog, how to the menu header and all that stuff. 5 7 videos, and you can give that as a free lead magnet, right? Or you can attach a price 500 to it, and you can just share the whole playlist and attach that playlist to a landing page. Anyways, you have to create a landing page. So you have to send them, you have to make a message in that, this is a free video this is a video series of 11 videos you can use to create a website from scratch in less than 30 minutes, and just for 99 rupees. Click on the link, they go on the landing page, they make the payment, and once they make the payment, they are shared the link of that playlist. And that playlist you created is not for public. It make sure whenever you upload that on YouTube, you make it wait. Hello, now I think so. I'm back. So once you upload some video, you just can unlist the video, and that video will not be public, but it can be shared to only those whom you share the link, right? So I'll just quickly share how to do that. It's already very late, and if you guys are with me, just give me a with you in the comment box, so that I can see you guys are following me, you guys are with me, and you guys are finding this exciting. because I need you guys to be with me. I need you guys to be interacting with me. I want you guys. I don't want you guys to sleep. You know. So I want you guys to be with me. If I see, this is my YouTube channel dashboard. Let me just quickly open that. Just click on create. Just click on this plus signal, and once you click on this, just click on upload video. Wait. And once you click on that, you will it will prompt your window to upload a video. And once you are done with the upload process, it will come a screen, and that screen I'll be sharing how to unlist the video and share the link, and only those people who have the link that will only be able to access the video. Just select the file and then upload the video. After that, you will see something like this. There's a list of video like this, and see, just choose unlisted, no private, no public, unlisted. Okay, or you can if you do it public, then everyone will be able to access. So it's no point of charging for that. So just keep it unlisted, and then you can just quickly click on detail. No, not on details, because I do the same with my workshop videos. Whatever workshop I conduct, I just upload it on YouTube and I send the link, which is not shareable. Only people who have the link can able to access that. So get shareable link, and then whosoever has the link can only access your video when it's unlisted, right? Only anyone with the link can see the video. No other person can the link. So this is where you charge for them, because only people with the link. So once in the landing page, for example, you have shared whatever you have shared in the video, then at the end, uh, in, in in place of this, you can tell grab your video series now. Just click here, and once they click, they go to a thank you page, and just tell them thank you for applying for this video series, and you'll get the video series in your mail. You'll get the link to the video playlist in your mail. That's it. So if you guys are clear on how to sell an ebook and how to sell in short video posts, just type clear in the comment box so that I can see you guys are following. Yeah, I think so. A lot of people are clear. Mm. That's it. So selling an information product I was talking about. Yep. Now you guys already know. I think so. A lot of you are clear on how to sell a short video course, ebook. Same you can do with the webinar. You can just go ahead and design a landing page for a webinar, and you can just do the registration. How you do the registration for the webinar? You can share a link. You can first, it's very simple. What you can do is that you can just create a Google form. What I do, just create a Google form and share the Google form. Just tell them whosoever wants to first just create a template. Like for example, create a template on Canva, or because I do it on Photoshop, you can do it on Canva. Create a template like this, like this. For example, this copywriting webinar I did. I think I created this on Canva. So create a template on webinar using Canva or any graphic design app like this. Webinar on copywriting, topics covered, blah blah blah. And this below this, just share a link in whichever platform you're sharing this. And with that link, there's a Google form in that link, and they sign up for the webinar. And once they give you the email ID, you can give them the link to the payment. Or what you can do is that you can give the InstaMojo link, or don't give the Google form link, give the InstaMojo link behind that, and whatever the price is, 100 200 rupees. And once they click on that link, they quickly they should go ahead on the InstaMojo page. And on that InstaMojo page, what you can do is that you can charge them, and that then after that InstaMojo page, you can send them to a thank you page, in which you tell that you'll soon be receiving, thank you for registering for the webinar. You will soon be receiving the details for the webinar. That's it. Okay, so if you guys are clear how to do the live webinar selling thing, just type clear in the comment box, because your webinar is not free, so you don't have to use Google form. InstaMojo link, then in that InstaMojo link, you have to share the landing page. You have to connect the landing page link to the InstaMojo payment link, and then in that landing page, you have to thank you for registering. You have successfully registered. You soon receive mail for the details of the webinar, right? That's it. So if you guys are clear for the live webinar stuff, just type clear in the comment box. Okay. So now one-on-one consultation call, the same way you can use Calendly for this. For example, if you want to book a consultation call with someone, there's an app called Calendly. You can just share the Calendly link, calendly.com. And this, you can also charge for your this consultation call, 100, 500, whatever you want to charge. And using this, you can just give the share. Once you design an event in this, you can just put a price to it. And once you put a price to it, you can just share the link of this. Let me just quickly show you by logging to my account. Yep. So see, this is how you create a new event. Just click on new event type, and once we click on this, it will open a new window, and it will create a new event. You can just share the link of one-on-one event, group event. So I'll choose one-on-one, and the event name I just have to type. For example, digital strategy call. That's it. Location, if you can type in person phone call, you can choose phone call, or any app also you can choose. I will call my invitee. My invitee should call me. You can share your this number, and then description you can tell, this will be a digital strategy call which will cover all the digital strategies for your business and all that. And then this is your calendar link. You can optimize it. Just choose the color. You can optimize the link as well. Digital strategy call. Then click on next. Then just choose the duration, 45 minutes, 60 minutes. I'll keep it 60 minutes, or 30 minutes. I'll keep it. Then just they can just you can also choose which slots are booked. See, I see these are my slots: 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm available between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every week, and I can block the slot which I'm not available. For example, if I want to block Friday, just type I'm unavailable. That's it. Apply to all Fridays. I'm not available on all the Fridays, right? Then hide this event from my camera. You just don't have to do anything. Then type next. Then you can type invitee questions. Once they can put their, you have to ask for their email and name, and you can also ask a few other questions. Please share anything with help will prepare for the meeting. For example, if you want to tell them, be prepared for with a notepad, and whatever instructions you have to share and answer, you can get your answer. Okay. And then you can send them on a confirmation page, and this is where you can collect the payment. Even close, you can send them on a confirmation page once they make the payment. And just let me click on, in order to collect payment, click on collect payments. And payment is a pro feature. So what you can do is that in order to get them paid, you can share the InstaMojo link. Okay. So once they share the for example, if you want to schedule a call, you design a template for that, or you design a message for that, you share a InstaMojo link. Once they go to the InstaMojo link, once they make the payment, then from the InstaMojo link, they get your Calendly link, and then in that Calendly link, they can schedule the call, right? So this is how the whole process will do. Once they get to your InstaMojo link, they make the payment. Then from that, you integrate that Calendly link, and that they get to Calendly and schedule a call with. So if you are clear on scheduling a one-on-one consultation session, just type clear in the comment box so that I can know. Just type clear in the comment. Calendly is free for the first 30 days, I think so. Then I think so it's paid. Every tool is free for first few days, and then it's paid. Okay. So just type clear in the comment box if you're clear on this Calendly stuff. And the same thing you can do with your affiliate product. With an affiliate product, what you can do is that you can go to ClickBank. Or we must not discuss this. I think so. I'll discuss this in the next webinar which I'll be conducting. So as of now, I've already covered all the things which you have to do in the Just wait. Let me quickly just open Facebook and do one thing. I think so. If everyone has any question, if anyone has any question regarding this assignment, just type your question in the comment box. I'll give you clarity because Q&A session is very important in order to give you clarity as per the assignment. So just type whatever questions you have. So I'll ask for a quick review on the group as well. Hmm. If you guys have any other questions, just go ahead and ask your questions and just share your reviews on this post. I'll just share the link and I want you guys to share your reviews. And one more last final surprise announcement. I'll be doing that. Just wait. Just go ahead in the Facebook group and you can share the group link. Yeah, I'm just sharing the group link. Yeah, you can just go ahead and see the post and let me approve everyone. So people want to join the group. So go on the group and just give the review of what clarity did you get, how was the session, and I'm confirming everyone. And go to the post, the latest post, and whatever comment you have or whatever review you have for the session, just share that. Okay. And now the surprise announcement, the most important part. And wait, it's black. I think so. A lot of people will not be able to see this. Let me quickly. So, how many of you guys, after doing this internship and whatever courses, whatever courses you did, whatever internships you did, be very honest. How many of you guys have a lot of clarity in what to do next? Just tell me quickly. Be honest and tell if you have a lot of clarity. The request showing pending. Okay, I'm accepting the request and let me just see. Just I want we have just created website a part of landing page we recorded itself should have some content. A landing page will do with there. You don't have to have some content on the website. A landing page will do because yeah. Go ahead and comment on the thread. I've already shared the post and your review really matters. How do you feel about the session? Just comment. Let me see how many people have commented, and then I'll make the bonus announcement and surprise announcement. Yes, Vidya, the landing page will do, and 3 people have commented. Naveen Das good and Zami to the same. I'm going to clear my basic fundamentals. Pardesh, thank you so much, guys, for your review, and others also. You can go ahead and comment. Okay. So let's go ahead with the final announcement, surprise announcement, and thank you, for waiting for a long time. You guys have an amazing patience. I really appreciate that. That will really help you succeed in life because those who have patience, people who want to do business need to have patience, right? Without patience, there's nothing. You can get nothing without patience. Patience is the key. So, how many of you guys are confused what to do after internship of any course or any digital course you have did? Okay, just type confused in the comment box if you guys are still confused how to make money using digital marketing, how to which niche to choose, and you have all these questions, right? how to choose the right niche, how to be a T-shaped digital marketer, how to get freelancing projects, how to implement knowledge I've learned. DM is very technical, and you feel that digital marketing is very technical. How to choose something simple in digital marketing, right? And how to create passive income through affiliate marketing. Fundamentals of many skills are still not clear with you. Just tell me, how many of you guys have these kind of questions? So Mayank is saying, if you go for option 3, it is completed as below item ebook short video course. No, you have to choose only one. Confused how to implement learning. Yes, a lot of people are confused, and a lot of people have all these questions. Almost everyone have all these questions. So now this is the problem. Not only this, there's a lot more questions you guys are having. So this is where I will give you the solution, and I can guarantee you what is the solution. This is the surprise announcement. And what is the solution? Can anyone guess what is the announcement? No, it's pretty obvious, but still you guys have to guess. The announcement is as simple as that: mega webinar on how to make a career in digital marketing. Everything. I'll give you everything. Niche clarity, what is the best skill for you, how to become a t-shirt digital marketer, freelancing, digital selling, announcement of the best part, announcement of digital marketing mega live workshop. It will be a live workshop. Those who are already my students, they know the importance of my workshops and what in-depth clarity I give in my workshops. And I will be conducting a mega live workshop, and I'll be announcing about that mega live workshop in this webinar, mega webinar, which I'll be conducting at the end of your internship. In this, I'll be sharing, first of all, I'll be sharing all these things in this mega webinar, and at the end of the webinar, I'll be giving the announcement of digital marketing mega live workshop. And the best part is that all these questions will be answered in this mega workshop. I'll be covering all the basic skills. I have a list of all the skills I'll be covering, and I'll be helping you to transcend. The main motive of this mega workshop. The main motive of this mega workshop is to learn how to transcend from a newbie to expert with live learning and execution. Coming soon. Stay tuned. Lots of love. And I'm going to quickly share the curriculum. I'll be covering freelancing, I'll be covering finding niches, I'll be covering SEO and keyword research, I'll be covering lead generation, paid traffic, Google ad, website design, sales funnel, marketing automation, doing case studies, live case studies, okay, data analytics, blogging, content writing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, paid traffic, community building, very important, digital selling courses, which is my mastery. I'll be taking you to the next level. Video production, graphic design. Video production and graphic design, nobody has taught you. Even Digital Deepika hasn't taught you. I'll be teaching you video production and graphic design. How many of you guys are excited about this mega workshop which I'll be conducting? Because this will make you a T-shaped digital marketer and give you insights of you know, all the fundamentals of digital marketing. Video production, graphic design, sales funnels, digital selling. Duration of this workshop will somewhere last between 2 weeks, because it is a slow process. Learning and execution is a slow process. I'll be give you live execution steps, so that the whole intent is you to transcend from a newbie to an expert. And I know how to do that, because I did that in span of 5 years. And I'm going to give you the exact shortcut. What I'll do is that I'll give you the basics, fundamentals, and a little bit of advanced level skill of every topic, and I'll give you the insights of everything. I'll be getting you in depth, giving you in depth knowledge about everything, and I'll be giving you execution step. So once you do small execution step of each and every skill, then you will see magic happen. Then you will see magic happen. Then you will discover what is the skill that is for you, and then you will discover that this is what I want to continue and want to move forward. And this is how you will hack your growth in digital marketing. So if you guys find this concept amazing, just type AMA in the comment box. Shantanu is saying that will start next week, 25th July. Good initiative to keep like. Just type AMA in the comment box if you find this concept amazing and you guys are ready for me in this journey, to join me in this journey. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Stay tuned. If you haven't joined the Facebook group, you can join the Facebook group, and a lot of updates, announcement. I'll this is just the trailer. This is just the teaser. a lot of things. How will I conduct the mega workshop? What will the concept? Trust me, guys. I give you my word. I give you my word. Just do as I say, whatever is there in that 14, 15 to 20 days workshop. And trust me, you will transcend from that newbie phase. You will get to know, you will get a clarity, you get a conviction. I want to give you that clarity because now I have that clarity. I know where to go. I have that laser sharp focus that this is my thing. And I want you guys, I want to give it to you guys. I want to give that laser sharp focus to you guys. And I want to just, this is what I want to do, you know. And how many of you guys are excited? Just type excited in the comment box so that we can end the webinar and you enjoyed the webinar, and you can go ahead and share the review on the, I shared the link. Just quickly type excited. I can see if you guys are excited or not. A lot of people are super excited. Thank you so much, guys. I want to give you the clarity. I want to give you the growth hacks in order for you to save the time, in order for you to save the 5 years of hard work or years of hard work. Because I have done that, I don't want you to face the same thing. Because the moment I realized copywriting and digital selling is for me, I realized how to do that. You have to. It's a very simple, basic, learnable process, and I'll be taking you guys to the same structure and framework and the process in that mega workshop. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for joining. I really value your valuable time. And Abhimanyu is saying, please clarify my doubt. I can use landing page I created as to get sales. Yes, you can use the same landing page, but you should ask for digital team as well. When it start, I'll be announcing that in the webinar. The start date, the pricing, and all the things I'll be sharing in that. Okay, don't worry. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I really appreciate. Thanks for full. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. First time I'm attending a webinar. Your teaching style is very good. Thank you so much, Hemant. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Prashant. And Shantanu also is he's a very good student of mine. Thank you so much. And I'll be sharing all the updates on the group. And thank you so much for joining, guys. Keep rocking. You are the rock stars. You are the future. You are the digital rock stars. And those who have not joined the group, join the group. And I know I'm going to create mass success stories. Just stay tuned. Be with me. We're going to rock. Thank you so much. Good night.